643 days is how long I've owned this CRF300L, and about 6,800 miles. So it's broke in now. It's been a great bike too. I have no plans of getting rid of this one. Just fueled up. I always put the premium no ethanol if I can. Sometimes you get out and there's not one of those stations around, but the good thing is we do have some in this area. Which is pretty cool. I don't know which way I want to go here. Right turn, Clyde. Well, it's not too bad a day. Rain tomorrow. I don't know how much. So don't know if I'll ride the bike tomorrow or walk. No, or drive the Ranger. I won't be walking. It's about 11 and a half miles to work for me. Not too bad, but I darn sure wouldn't want to have to walk. Not that early in the morning and walking to work anyway, especially in the rain. I sure wish it was dirt road all the way home. That would be sweet. So, hey guys, if you notice, I don't have the windshield on here. Nothing against the windshield. The T-Rex Racing windshield is great. It's just, I prefer it, especially if it's warm, like it has been getting out, it's turning spring. I prefer the look of it without the windshield. I prefer it, especially with the Insta360 there, or a camera mounted up here. It's just right in the way for videoing with that windshield there. I made a video here a while back and the windshield there, and it really just kind of messes everything up with it right there in the way. So decided I'd take it off, and I mean, I don't mind it like this. Now in the winter with the cold air blowing, it's definitely a big advantage, keeping pretty much the air off of here and to off your chest and neck area, and it does a good job of that, no doubt. But I do like these double take mirrors on here. They're pretty nice. The biggest advantage of the double take mirrors that I can see is with the way these are adjustable, you can set them out further. The stock mirrors just barely wouldn't really reach past my shoulders and not have my shoulders too much into the mirror. But these, you can just adjust them out, lean them out a little further, and make it do it. I like that. Got them a little whoppy jaw. It looks like this one's a little higher or tilted than that one. So I did add a piece to this too, if you can see this right here, hopefully. That little green thing, that's supposed to be for Kawasaki. It's an extension, because when you take out the stock mirrors, there's a left hand to right hand adapter for the right hand mirror on the CRF300L. Well, when you take it out, you lose that about 3/4 inch height. And this side over here is taller because it's up on this little perch stand here. So I ordered this little thing right here, which is really nice. It brings up I have no idea who that was. He's just waving and smiling. It brings up this mirror enough to where it's pretty much about the same height as this one, and not down an inch shorter, 3/4 of an inch shorter, whatever it is. So they're pretty cool. I'll post a link below where you guys can check them out. I just got them off Amazon, bought them off there. But it'd be kind of hard to find if you didn't know what to look for. So 6,867 miles, I guess. in 643 days. So how many miles have you guys got on your CRF300L already? Probably a lot of you guys have got way more than me. Look at Itchy Boots. She put I don't know how many miles she's got now, but she got a lot of miles on that bike. It's a true testament to how good the bikes are. Hers is a rally, of course, but you know how it is. It's still basically the same bike. So mine is mostly riding back and forth to work. And that's pretty much every day that I can, unless it was like the ice on or just too darn cold, or if it's pouring rain in the morning when I leave. I don't mind riding home in the rain, but I don't want to ride to work and be soaking wet when I get there and have to sit there all day in my office soaking wet. That ain't no fun. So I don't mind riding home at all. If it's going to rain in the evening, it's not raining in the morning, I'll go to work on a bike. No problem. But how many miles have you guys got on your CRF300L or CRF200L? It doesn't matter. How many miles and how old or how long have you had your bike? There you go. That'd be the way to do it. How long have you had your bike and how many miles have you got on it? Be interesting to see, because I don't know, but I'm sure some people by now, CRF200L was 2021 was the first model, and I'm sure some of you guys that are hardcore riding probably have way up in the miles. I don't know if anybody has as much miles as Itchy Boots, but I'll probably never have that many miles. Hopefully I will. Hopefully one of these days I can get out of having to work every day and go full-time YouTube and making videos and spending more time with everybody. That's my goal. So it depends on how things work out. But I got to get a lot more of you guys clicking the thumbs up and commenting below. That's the number one. Put comments below. I don't care what you say. So you can even cuss me out, I guess, but please don't. But comment below, click the thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. This was just a short video, but hopefully pretty soon I'll be making some more. Tomorrow morning it's going to be pouring rain, so I probably won't be riding the bike in the morning. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Right on.